Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your Pro license and grabbing the API key. Keep it handy. Once done, install the app or activate the browser extension and sign in. Next, create or select a workspace and set the default model and output format so results match your needs. Make sure integrations, Google Drive, Slack, or Git, are authorized. Finally, open a new project and import a sample prompt or dataset to begin the live session. You should see the editor and templates immediately. Now you build the workflow. Create templates and chained prompts with clear variable placeholders so the bot adapts per case. Then tune operational settings, set rate limits, batch size, and concurrency to match your quota and latency targets. Map inputs to outputs and add post-processing steps like format conversion or validation. Use conditional branches for exception handling and preview a dry run with a 1-3 item sample. If the output drifts, adjust prompt phrasing and template variables to execute the full run while watching the real-time monitor and performance logs. Observe throughput and error rates. Once outputs arrive, validate against acceptance criteria, apply corrections via the editor, and save final artifacts to your chosen storage. Export reports or share results with teammates. If something fails, first check logs for HTTP or rate limit errors, then verify API keyscope and prompt syntax. Retry small batches. If persistent, toggle back to a prior template version and compare diffs to isolate the change.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.